Welcome to our monthly Compass preview. Our August issue focuses on European banks, which have become collateral damage of Britain's decision to leave the European Union. Now, it wouldn't be fair to say that British voters are to blame for the problems that beset these banks. Their problems started nearly a decade ago at the onset of the 2008 financial crisis. The crisis saddled these banks with toxic loans and ate into their profits. But it would be fair to say that the British referendum has shaken an already fragile sector. Stock prices for some banks are falling, spurring calls for government intervention in Italy. In June, the International Monetary Fund went so far as to label Deutsche Bank the riskiest of all globally significant banks. Even relatively stable banks, including Spain's Santander, have lost money not because of internal deficiencies, but because of their reliance on the British market. Implementing a fully formed banking union may well help to solve some of these problems, but as is so often the case in Europe, members of the union can't agree on all of its provisions. And until a solution can be reached, the crisis will be poised to spread even further. Next, we turn to Colombia, whose government is on the verge of signing a historic peace deal with its longest-running insurgency with the Revolutionary Armed Forces of Colombia. Violence will decline, and as it does, areas of Colombia that have been closed off to private investment for decades will finally open up. Agricultural and mining operations in the areas that once served as the FARC's primary base of operations, in particular, will become far more attractive to potential financiers. Though the security outlook for the country is fairly positive, some risks remain. The peace deal will end the fighting with the FARC, but it will not end the illegal mining operations, nor will it discourage criminal groups from expropriating mines from licit operators. There are a variety of criminal activities, including coca farming and illegal logging, to which FARC militants could return after they lay down their arms. And the FARC may be neutralized, but eradicating organized crime will take some time, and Colombia's criminal groups will continue to endanger the country's mining sectors for several years. For these and other stories, check out our August issue of Compass, which publishes August 1st.